Hi everybody, thanks for watching. This is, as you know, Dora the Explorer. This is a great toy, an interactive, multilingual toy from 2009 by Mattel. And what's so cool about this is dance she does. Here we go.
Are you ready to do the We Did It dance? Fantastico! Let's do it! First, lift your hands way up. Arriba! Arriba! Now, shake them all around. Shake, shake, shake! Next, bring your arms way down. Abajo! Abajo! Now, twist, twist. Ready to put it all together? Excelente!
Well, come on, Dora, do it. I guess I'll press the button again.
All right, come on. We did it together. We did it together. We did it together. We did it. Arriba, lift up your hands. Keep your arms up high like a coconut tree. We did it. Now bubble brown and fire with me. We did it. Now bring it back round. Abajo, abajo. With the bottom. That's how it goes. Yeah. We did it together. We did it. Yeah. Excelente.
Excelente. So it's a cool toy. It works. I'm not going to kid you. We creeped out my daughter, so we're going to get rid of it. But we had it for years, and your daughter may absolutely love it. This is a 2009 dancing multilingual Dora the Explorer. Thanks for watching.